We're holding an open house for my listing, 15788 Foliage Road in Frisco. Did someone say there was a downturn in the market? I can't see it. All those cars all the way to the end. They're for us. All those cars. Lord have mercy. Okay, so gonna go inside now. And let's just check this out and see what's going on. This is, excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. This is in the Grove, Frisco. The high school is Liberty High. That doesn't hurt. And I think I'm gonna have to go around this way. Lots of people upstairs as well. And this is just an hour in to this event. Plenty more events like this to come, possibly. I don't know. We're getting so much good feedback and lots of great vibes on this one. Yay!